Sasikal students, today we will learn how to find the under root 13 and under root 5, how to draw this on a line. So, see students, under root 13 can be written as 2 square plus 3 square, right? 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So this is equal to 13. Okay, now I want to draw under root 13 on paper with my pencil and my compass. Okay. Now, if I remember the Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagorean theorem says? Pythagorean theorem says if this is a right angle triangle A, B, C is a right angle triangle, BC is the base. I can take base as, let's say, this 2, and I can take perpendicular AB as 3. Now, the hypotenuse AC will be given as hypotenuse AC h square is equal to base square, that is 2 square, plus perpendicular square, that is 3 square. From this I can find h as, I will take under root on both sides, so I will get 2 square plus 3 square under root, and that is what I want to find out. This is equal to under root 13. So my this will be under root 13. Now students, how I can draw this on the paper? So what I will do, I will take a number line. Okay? After taking number line, I will mark 0 on this anywhere. Let's say this is 0. Now I want to draw a right angle triangle on this number line, and I want to take base as 2 centimeter. This is, you know, maybe he's saying under root 13 centimeter. This is the length I want to draw. So I will take 2 centimeter with my scale, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So I can say OA is equal to 2 centimeter, right? Now I want to draw right angle triangle. So a right angle triangle, I will draw a right angle from here. Well, I know how to draw right angle, 60 degree, 120 degree, and I will just draw this line which is perpendicular, right? So after doing this operation, after drawing this 90-degree angle, that is angle OA, and I will take any point here. Let's say this is X. OAX is equal to 90 degree, right? Now I want to plot 3 centimeter on this XA line. So what I will do, I will again take scale. This is 1 centimeter, this is 1, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Let's say this point is B. This point is B. So what is this distance? So this distance AB is equal to 3 centimeter, right? This is 3 and this is 2. So then what will be OB? I will simply join OB. My OB would be, let's see, my OB. I want to see OB. Again, I will draw. I will apply Pythagoras theorem. OB is the perpendicular. Sorry, OB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square OB square is equal to BA square. This is perpendicular plus base square OA square. So OB would be equal to, I'll take under root on both sides, BA square plus OA square under root. Well, BA is perpendicular, that is 3 square, and OA is base, that is 2 square under root, and this is equal to under root 9 plus 4, 13. So my OB, this side is under root 13. My this side OB is under root 13. Now, but he had asked me to draw under root 13 on the number line. So what I will do, I will take the needle of the compass here. I'll put my pencil here. I will draw this arc. So let's say this arc meets my number line here. Let's say this point is any point. Let's say this point is, let's say this is D. So my OD length is equal to, OB length is equal to under root 13. Done. Now I will see how to draw under root 5, and I will draw it little bit more quickly. Okay. Now I want to draw under root 5 on the number line. Now I will think whether 5 is equal to square of two numbers. Yes, 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 5. So from this I got base and perpendicular of right angle triangle. If this is my right angle triangle, its height is 2, its base can be 1, then this hypotenuse will be under root 5. Is it right? Because according to Pythagoras theorem, this is my hypotenuse, this is my perpendicular, this is my base. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. What is my hypotenuse? Under root 5. Square of this is equal to base is 1 square plus perpendicular is 2 square. So if I have under root 5 square, square will cancel with under root. I will get 5. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So 5 is equal to 5. It's correct. Now, I need not do it. I'm just explaining to you for understanding. I need not do this part. Okay. What I need to do. So under root 5, I will write here. This is what I need to do. I need not do this part. Is equal to 1 square plus 2 square under root. Okay. So what I will do, I will draw again the number line. So this is my number line. On my number line, I will mark a point O origin. O. Then I will take 1 as base. So I will take 1 centimeter as base, and I will mark this point as, let's say, A. So OA is equal to 1 centimeter. At point A, I will draw 90-degree. After drawing 90-degree, I know how to draw 90-degree. This is my 90-degree I have drawn. So I can say on this 90-degree, now I have to draw perpendicular. So that will be how much? 2 centimeter. Okay, I will take 2 centimeter, 1 here, then 2 here. Let's say this point is B. So this is AB is equal to 2 centimeter, right? If this is 1, if this is 2, obviously, what will be OB? Yes, what will be OB? OB will be, let us see what will be OB. So OB. So OB square, OB is hypotenuse, right? Is equal to base square OA square plus perpendicular square, that is AB square. Now OB square is this. So OB will be equal to under root of all this. Now what is OA? 1 square. What is AB? 2 square. That means OB is equal to under root 5. So I got OB as under root 5, but I have been asked to draw under root 5. Why this is under on the number line. So what I will do, I will just draw a arc with the with my compass. I will draw a arc. The arc may fall here. I can name this point as D. So my OD length, this length OD, OD is equal to under root 5, on the number line. I can write centimeter also here. Even if I don't write, no problem. Here, it is important to note, students, I have taken base as 1. I can take base as 1, 2 also, and perpendicular as 1. I can take 2 as base and 1 as perpendicular also, no problem. I will get same result. I have taken base as 2, perpendicular as 1. Now again when I join this OB, OB will again be 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square under root. So this will again be equal to under root 5. So base can be taken as 1 or 2. Students, this method I have discussed is not applicable to, let us say, I want to, you know, write 7 under root. So there, this method is little bit difficult to apply because I cannot break 7 into sum of squares of two numbers. Okay. So yes, it is possible, but then it will become difficult for the students. This can be like you can write 2 square plus uh, under root 3 whole square. You can do like this. So this will be equal to 4 plus 3 under root. So for this, first you have to find out under root 3 on the number line, and then you will take 2 centimeter, and this would be under root 7. But again, there'll be much construction. So now we can think of, we can try to learn some other method by which it's easier to find the under root. And also by this method, if somebody says find the under root of 7.6, it will be very difficult to find with this method, though you should know this method. Now we will discuss how to find the under root of 7.6 and these under roots only by other method. So how I will draw? Yes, students. Now we will find how to find the under root of 13 by other method. So under root 13, you want to find out, take a number line. This is your, let's say, number line. Okay. On this number line, take any point, reference point 0, and whatever is there inside the under root. whether it is 13, 13.5, 15, 17, 10.2, whatever it is. Mark that in centimeters on the number line. It's 13, so I will mark OA is equal to 13 centimeter. OA is equal to 13 centimeter. After marking this, take 1 centimeter extra. AB. AB is equal to 1 centimeter. So OB becomes equal to 14 centimeter. Now take the half of OB. You know how to take the half of OB? Not with the scale. You have to do all geometry. I know approximately. So you will do, obviously you know how to find the half. Put the needle of the compass here. You know, make approximation where will be half here. Open the compass little more than this. Then do a marking here and do a marking on the bottom. Put the needle of the compass here, do a marking here, do a marking here. You will get the perpendicular bisector. So this will be the center of OB. Remember students, you don't have to find center of OA, 13 centimeter. You have to find center of OB. So let's say this point is L. So OL should be equal to 7 centimeter. OL is 7, LB is also 7 centimeter. Now put the needle of the compass here, taking L as center, draw a semicircle with O and B as ends. This is a semicircle you have drawn. When you have drawn the semicircle, students, simply what you need to do, from point A, draw 90 degree. From point A, draw a perpendicular. You know how to draw a perpendicular? Already I have explained. I will explain again. Mark any arc. 60, 120, two arcs will give you OA. Let's say this is P. Angle OAP would be equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So students, AP would be equal to under root 30. AP would be equal to under root 30. Means the length of this perpendicular AP is under root 13. Since they have asked to draw the under root 13 on number line, so again I will draw a arc, you know. So A Z, A Z, A Z is also equal to under root 13, right? Done. Now, same method. Suppose somebody says draw 7.6 under root. So with this method, easily I can draw 7.6 under root. What I need to do? I need to take a straight line. On this straight line, draw OA is equal to 7.6 centimeter. Take 1 centimeter extra. AB 1 centimeter extra. Find the mid point of OB, not OA. Remember, OB is equal to 7.6 plus 1, that is 8.6 centimeter. This OB is 8.6 centimeter. Now take the center point of OB as I have just explained to you. From the center point, draw a what? Draw a semicircle from point A. From point A, draw a perpendicular. The perpendicular touches the semicircle on point, let's say Z. So AZ would be equal to 7.6 under root. Okay. Then simply equal to AZ, draw a arc here. Let's say this is point P. So AP is also equal to 7.6. This distance. This distance is equal to 7.6 under root. So this is the way, students, you'll be completing the squares. Hope you like the video. If you like it, I request you to subscribe, learn CBSE, help us grow, help us share knowledge to more people. Thank you very much.